This is the Algo Futures Trader weekly market roundup, and this is an opening morning breakout strategy. This is pre-programmed. It's a template that's built in. You just open it up, turn it on. Right now, you do have to manually execute the trades. The auto execution feature is coming shortly, but once the trade is executed, it will fully manage the trade for you from there. So I was just going to go through some of the trades in our trading room this week. Wasn't a great week. It was actually a difficult week. This was the S&P. This was a little small loss here on a breakout to the upside. So this shaded area is the no trade zone here. You see the signals at the bottom here that the software is generating these long signals. I just didn't manage the trades very well this week, but we'll take a look at the stats for the automatic trading setups in just a bit here. So that was the S&P for the week. Again, not a lot there. The Russell. This was Tuesday. This was a entry here on a breakout to the upside. Took a stop there. I think that was all that was on Tuesday. This was Wednesday, and this was a break to the upside. Some of the other tools that we'll look at before we enter a trade. This is from alphawebtrader.com. And we want to see if everything's all green, if it's all red. Obviously, if it's all green, then we want to focus on the long side. If it's all red, we'd focus on the short side. You can see Sunday evening, the market is opened here for a few hours. And you can see the markets are mixed. So that's a good indication maybe just to stay out. It also tells us which are the stronger markets, like your Russell here, your mid caps. Weakest is the NQ right now. So those are some tools that we can use to filter these trades and try to improve our results than just taking the raw trade signals that the software generates. Right. And then let's see, so this is Thursday, nothing. And then Friday, long trade here on a breakout to the upside. This was right around 10 o'clock, just before 10 o'clock. Got a first target and then stopped on a trailing stop there. That was it, I think, for the Russell for the week there. Let's look at the MNQ, and this was Tuesday. This was a breakout to the upside here. Looks like I just got stopped on that one. That's what it looks like. And that was Tuesday. Let's see, I think there was some other trades here. Here was a buy on a breakout here that got stopped. I was only taking 2 contracts on the NQ. At entry here, target, so we did get some there, and then to the short side, some target, and on a couple, or on one contract anyway. Was that one or was that 2 or 3? Looks like 2 contracts. So, and then stopped at basically break even, I think, on that last one. And then this was Friday's trade, so a short there, took a small stop. Reversed here to the long side, got a first target, a break even, another long here, target, break even on the second contract or the third contract there, it looks like. And then finally in the Dow on Friday, I think was the only trade in the Dow. This was a long trade here. The numbers lined up. The software generated the buy signal and hit the first target there. And unfortunately just got stopped on a trailing stop there. It did pull back and actually went below the morning open before things got going again, but that was later, and you see it did generate another long signal here, but it was past the time. In the trading room, we just trade like usually that first hour and see if there's anything that sets up, and so we don't trade the full day. But I'll show you the raw data, and we keep stats here so you can see, so you can come to our Discord server here. And we have the trading stats here. If you click on that, this page pops up and you can go through all the stats. We keep the stats for the trading room, so like here, stats from the trading room for August, but all the other stats for all the systems that we run, including the breakout system that you see and all the different markets. And so this is just for January. This is the opening morning session breakout. And you can see the M2K is the best performing market so far this month. NASDAQ, Dow are pretty much break even. The S&P is the loser here. So when I see that, I just probably want to focus this week on trades in the M2K and that's looks like that's going to be the best performing market. At least it has been over the last 15, 20 days here. So those stats you can get, and you can go back if you want to go back a year. I think we started keeping these stats about a year ago. Some are real money trades, some are sim, so we can track all the different markets and all the different strategies that we track and that we've automated here. All right, hope that's helpful. Again, you can download these indicators, download this Algo Futures Trader 8 for free. You can use it in sim mode as long as you'd like. No limit to your trial period. You can use this to qualify for funding. If you do have success with it, then go ahead and pay for a live license or lease it. All right, hope that helps. We'll see you again next week.